If you don't remember the password to your Samsung Galaxy S26, if you cannot unlock your phone, then in order to solve that issue, unfortunately, most likely you have to factory reset your phone by going to the recovery mode. Of course, as a result, you will lose everything that you have on your phone, but this might be the only solution to get the access back into the phone. There is, however, a small problem. If you don't remember the password, if the phone is locked, and if you try to shut it down, then you may notice that we still have to enter the password. So it is a little bit harder to solve this, but it is not impossible. There's actually a small trick that allows you to still go to the recovery mode and factory reset your phone, even if you don't remember the password over here. So to do that, you will have to prepare a laptop or a computer and a USB cable. You will have to connect your phone to your computer or a laptop, but just not yet. Before we connect the cable, first we will have to force restart our phone. So to do that, you're gonna press power button and volume down button for a couple of seconds, approximately 7 seconds. And once the screen shuts down, then immediately after that, you want to connect the USB cable to the phone. And right after that, press and hold the power button and volume up button. And then, once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, release the power button and just hold volume up. So let me try to demonstrate. First, I'm gonna use power and volume down. And we need to hold until the screen shuts down. I'm gonna also prepare the cable. There we go, plug it in, and then power and volume up. And then just volume up once you see the Samsung logo. There we go. Now we are in the Android recovery menu, as you can see up here. So here we can navigate by using volume up and volume down. And since we want to factory reset the phone, we need to select wipe data / factory reset. Confirm by pressing the power button. And if there are some additional instructions and that you have to go through additional steps, then of course follow them. And you should be able to reset the phone. In case you go back to the Android recovery menu, then in here we need to select reboot system now option. And of course confirm with the power button again. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.